And this is one of my red wiggler composts. It seems to have the most life in it. There's nematodes in all the soils that I've checked around the yard, in the compost. But the red wiggler compost, the worm compost, is just right full of them. There's not as much fungal hyphae in here. That's because I use hot compost to feed the worm compost. That's not the right environment for it, in my reading and understanding. But an incredible amount of life, and just good looking. If we look at the amber colored things, will be humic acid. I'm sorry, fulvic acid, I believe. The darker colored ones, darker browner color ones, or lighter colored brown, but not amber, would be humic acid. The real dark pieces are going to be organic matter. The more clear and see-through pieces are going to be minerals. This is that nematode. We'll also see, if we zoom in, all kinds of bacteria. We'll do that and then zoom back out. I don't think I'll find him. I'll try to get a little more clear area. And just look at the bacterial life in there. You can see all the swimmers. So the soil is alive. We're looking at a fraction of a tiny diluted little piece of diluted drop of water of compost tea. Not even tea, of compost diluted in water. There's all that life in there. Zoom back out now. Let's see if we find that nematode zoomed in. Just take a second. There he is. So touchy and zoomed in so much. I don't have a movable tray. I'm doing this with my fingers. But you can see how, like, those materials I was talking about, you can see those minerals in there. The humic acid, the fulvic acid, some organic material. Oops. If we let our eyes adapt, we'll see the bacteria swimming around as well. If I can quit moving. There we go. All right. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you know more about what we're looking at than what I've said, please help us out. Just put that in the comments. Change can be better than holiday. Peace.